Good day, everyone. You may have or may not have seen news about the latest update to the Security Copilot Usage Dashboard. So if not, there's an update available for everyone that GA'd on October 25th that brings the Usage Dashboard some much needed and much requested features and brings the revision level for the dashboard to 2.0. All right. So in this walkthrough, I want to show and talk about the new data dimensions available so you have a much clearer picture of just how valuable this update truly is. So let's start exploring. All right, so the new data dimensions are provided to show a detailed view of SCU usage, which is a much requested feature from our customers and partners. Each column in the data table represents specific information. So let's briefly explain these data columns. First off, there's the date column. This is the date, of course, when the user initiated the session. It's displayed in the local time zone. For example, you'll see something like October 10th, 8:30 a.m. The next column is the units used. This number shows the number of SCUs that were used in the specific session. For example, say it is 0.6. All right. The next column is the initiated by column. This column displays the actual user that initiated the session. For example, Rod Trent or Lee Majors. The next data column is the session ID, or rather, the unique identifier for each Copilot session. You can see the example here. Each session is provided its own unique ID so that it can be further investigated if necessary. The category column is next. This column displays how the prompt was used, either user prompt or maybe it was a prompt book. The type column is next. This column shows the method that was used for the session, and that would be either a manual action or an automated action. Automated, of course, would be something like, say, a logic app or the auto summary in Defender XDR incident. All right. The next column is the Copilot experience column. This data provides the actual user interface where the session was initiated from, such as Copilot for Security Portal, or Copilot in Defender, or Copilot in Defender for Cloud. Lastly is the plugin used column. This enables the ability to identify which plugin was actually the one used for the session. For example, Microsoft Entra or the KQL plugin. In addition to the columns themselves, there's some additional features that have been included to help sort, organize, and manage the new data in these data dimensions just a little bit better. All right, so first off, a new filter capability helps narrow down the displayed information in the dashboard. All right, so the available filters that are available for use include the Copilot experience, users, plugins used, type, and category. Just of note, the filters are currently only applied to the table and not the bar graph, which is displayed above. And then exporting data. You can export usage dashboard data into Excel files for easier analysis, sharing, or potentially for offline access. So to export the data, just select the export button at the top corner of the dashboard. By understanding and utilizing these data dimensions, you can gain valuable insights into SCU usage and improve your analysis and decision-making processes. Thanks for coming along. Hopefully this walkthrough was valuable for you. I'll talk to you next time.